So, when you think about your career, are you where you want to be? If you are not where you want to be, are you thinking they're not seeing the greatness I'm bringing to the table? Or are you thinking, what do I need to do for them to see the greatness? Two different perspectives. One is it's all them, they're not seeing you and all the fabulousness that you are, which could be entirely valid. The second perspective is maybe the fabulosity that I'm bringing to the table is not one that is a value add for them. So what do I need to do to ensure that the value add I bring aligns to the values they want within the team or within the department? Yeah, so two different perspectives. It's this type of differentiating factor that can move you from where you want to be to actually being there and speaking the same language as your line manager, as a department head, to ensure that you have a clear plan to get you there. Now, if this is where you are and you're not quite sure how to navigate that journey from where you want to be to actually being there, you're in luck. Next week, Tuesday, we are kicking off the 3R Group Career Coaching Program. The 3R stands for review. So we review where you currently are and get an understanding of it. So we've got a clear foundation of where to start from. We then resolve. Once we understand where you want to get to, we ensure that we put in the work to get you there. And we have a very clear plan in place to achieve that objective. The last R, number 3, is for recognition. So after you've done all the hard work, we make sure you have the tools and the strategies to get recognized for the value that you're bringing to the table, which is the value your line manager or your departmental head wants to see. Okay, so if this sounds like something that you are interested in and you want to be part of, so from transitioning to being frustrated within your career to being the architect of your career, then go to the website and sign up now. Places are limited because we want full engagement and we like to keep it cozy so you get your full value worth in terms of moving the dial in your career. So I hope to see you on Tuesday. Take care.